with a pioneering spirit and craftsmanship in building dreams. After more than a decade of arduous efforts, we have achieved leapfrog development. Hengwang Group has now grown into an innovative technology enterprise integrating design research, manufacturing, international trade, e-commerce, network services, and logistics. With outstanding mechanical products and comprehensive worry-free services, we have gained favor from customers worldwide, with our products exported to over 180 countries and regions. Relying on the Hengwang Research and Development Center, continuously developing practical products tailored to customer needs, bulldozers, large excavators, wheeled excavators, small crawler excavators, drilling machinery, new energy photovoltaic pile drivers, road rollers, crawler transport vehicles, and more than 40 types of mechanical equipment, striving to create a one-stop service for engineering construction. Undertake projects. Choose Hengwang. Prospering business.